Relaxation is one of our key elements, that you might say, that we really recommend people come for. Relaxation is something that everybody needs, but most people don't take enough time for it. Our lives are so busy and stressful, and most of the time people are doing for everybody else, and they neglect themselves. And you can't really be the best person that you can be for somebody else if you've neglected yourself. So we really, stress the fact that it's important to come in for massages and facials. Even when you come in for the Medi-Spa services, you're coming into a relaxed atmosphere. There's no, high-pressure sales or scary doctor's offices. It's very relaxed, calm, and a spa-like atmosphere even in our Medi-Spa.